Hello friends, welcome to Skill Learning. So let's start. This is the part 4 of HTML classes. As you know, we are learning HTML. This is the hypertext markup language. So let's start today class. So what we are going to learn? So we are going to learn today UL and OL. What is UL and OL? So OL is order list. OL means order list, and UL means unordered list. So basically we are going to learn what is OL and UL. So let's start. Go to the Dreamweaver editor and define the OL. Let's start with OL. OL means order list. Basically this is order list. We can use it with the li, like if we give the first, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, and refresh the page. So here you can see this is 1 2 3 4. This is the order. What is this? Is the order, and type of OL given below. So given below is what is type of order list. What is type of order list? These are of 5 types. This is default. Type 1 is default. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 already display. So if we use the type 1, so what will happen? Type 1 with the OL, then there is nothing to change because this is a default. And if we will use type A means lowercase letters, and capital A uppercase letter, and I lowercase Roman number, and cap I uppercase Roman numbers. So we will use one by one. Suppose if we want to use A and refresh the page, this will result with ABCD. Result with ABCD. This is called lowercase letters. And come to the uppercase letters. So how can define uppercase letter? Like A. Refresh the page. This is the uppercase letters. And what is next? If we want to give Roman number, Roman number, so how can give? With the help of I. With the help of I, and refresh the page. This is the Roman number, lowercase Roman number. And if we want to uppercase Roman number, so how can give? With the help of capital I, like this. You can see this is the OL list. And now come to the next, UL list. What is UL? Unordered list. This is the unordered list. So how can we define it? We can copy this and paste it, but we have to change UL, and here is not work with the UL, not work with the type. And if we want to give type, then we have to use CSS. This is default working like this. And we can define S2. This is the order list, and this is the unordered list. This is the unordered list. This is the order list, and this is unordered list. So we can use HR between these texts. HR, I think you know HR. What is HR? I have teach it previous class. This is the HR. Okay, now come to the unordered list. So unordered list by default displaying like this, And if we want to change these icons, bullet icons, black icons, so how can I change it? So we can change it with the help of CSS. So what CSS we have, once again, what CSS we need to use? So we need to use list style type CSS to define type of unordered list. So how can define list style type? So we can define with the help of CSS style list style type. So what is, if we give circle, and first we will use disk. So here you can see this is also disk. This is a default. Disk is default, nothing change, because disk is already using default as a default. So if we want to change the circle, so how can I change circle and refresh the page? It's working as a circle. And if we want to use square, then how can I use? Can use